Hello. So, today we have this game I made called Frog Mounts. And I think it's going to be the first game I put on the Google Play Store and then maybe eventually the App Store. But it'll have to be profitable before I put it on the App Store because the App Store costs $100 a year for a license, whereas the Google Play Store is a one-time fee of $25. So I can handle a one-time fee of $25. That's not that bad. But in order to pay a yearly fee that costs so much, I hope I'd have to be making money to do that. Anyways, so this is a pretty simple kids game, and there's just frogs bouncing around, and you can change gravity. So I could have it be low gravity, and you can see they're flying around a bit more now. Or I can have there be high gravity, and you can see they're falling, and then I could say low gravity then. And the way gravity works in this game is actually a bit weird, because there's not actually a concept of gravity. I had to implement my own, and it's the way the frogs work is a bit weird, but it works. I mean, I could explain it, but I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, what you can do, you can build structures for your frogs. So let's build them a house. Let's build a multi-story house. Um, and let's have a trampoline in the basement. And then maybe that's how they get, what we could do, we could have it be like this, and then if they bounce around, yeah, I don't know. Actually, there could just be portals. Alright, because there are portals, and so we're just going to have a portal, and this is how you'll get into the house. But yeah, that portal is down there. So we're going to go suck up all the people. Problem is, then they'll start shooting out again. So the portals are two ways. So basically, you end up sucking up a bunch, shooting them out that portal, and then eventually they start going back in the portal they started from. We are going to turn the spawning off. What happens if I just stick that thing there? Then the spawning ends up really weird. Alright, well I guess I should make a one-way portal. Anyways, another thing that's fun for kids, you can change the frog's color. So you can make the frogs red. You can't like change individual groups of frogs. Maybe you could do that. I could say like, you could have a red frog spawner and a green frog spawner. You could see how they act differently. I mean, tell me in the comments what you want added to this game. And even once it's on the App Store, I can always update it and stuff. Um, but yeah, so kids would need a little bit of reading skills. But I mean, they see this, so they could actually learn words. Like, they could learn very basic words. They could just learn that this means yellow, and you see the yellow there. They could learn that this means pink. Gravity, I'm not, I mean, this could, yeah, that could be somewhat hard. It was on low gravity before. It doesn't really tell you. Maybe I should make it so it's selected, like the lettering turns red when it's selected, somewhat like what I've done with World War Weird. Let's say high gravity. Yeah, problem now is all the lag. Alright, I'm going to turn spawning back on, and we're going to build another house for the neighborhood, and I think, this house is going to have floors made out of trampolines, because everybody knows trampoline floors are the best floors. Yeah, trampoline floors. And walls. There are no trampoline roofs, unfortunately. I still need to be working on those. But, so we have this. And then maybe we can have a ramp here. And just imagine doing, oh yeah, and then of course this is what happens. And I wonder if that's easier in low gravity or in high gravity. Because right now it's on high gravity. Let's turn it to low gravity. Yeah, so you can see there's that guy just kind of steadily. Okay. So they are spawning, and they're just kind of falling down here. So there actually aren't very many of them. Okay, that was weird. I have no idea what was... Because they were bouncing around here, but they didn't really feel like going inside. See, yeah, alright. So it looks like there is a bit... Yeah. Okay, well that's a problem. At first, it would just perpetually happen like this. But I guess I need to make the amount it waits until it like renders whatever. We'll just send you there. Okay, so I guess I really need one-way portals, I think. But yeah, that's about all I have for right now. I'm not sure if I want this to be a progress or just a demonstration. You know what? I'll make it a progress, and eventually I'll add new things to this. So yay, a new progress series. Maybe this one will be more successful than the other ones. Maybe not. At this point, I just have like somewhere between 1 and 10 views on all my little progress video thingies. So we'll see how well this does, and then if I update it or this gets a lot of views, then that'll be a progress episode. And if this gets on the Google Play Store, then I will make an episode about that. And the 2 people that are watching this can go download it. Hell yeah, because this thing is going to be an ad. It'll be a little ad down there so that I can make 0.0 cents from the one person that downloads my app. Hell yeah. Alrighty.